Alright, so this is the 2017 Mercedes Benz E-Class 300 4MATIC, and this is our first impression. The steering wheel is very comfortable because of the setting that Mercedes Benz used for it, and as you can see, there are two dials over there, two analog dials and one digital dial in the middle, and this here is the infotainment system, 8.4-inch screen. It's a very comfortable car, of course, and you can see he's just chilling because of how beautiful the steering is. He doesn't have to strain himself in, driving it. The acceleration for this car is quite good. 0 to 65 6.5 seconds, a top speed of about 180 miles an hour thereabout, and it's just the right performance, the right balance between performance and comfort, which is something that buyers for this car would enjoy very much. Comfort, ease in driving. So the brakes work exceedingly well, so does the engine, and the gearbox works very well, so you have maximum performance and you get to enjoy yourself. So this car is the smaller brother of the S-Class, but from inside here you don't think like it's small in any way. It's just perfect. It's just a cheaper S-Class really, and the ride comfort is quite nice. This is the standard spring suspension on this car. It's not the air suspension, it's the spring suspension, and it's still a very effective system. Now this system has two modes. You have a sport mode and a comfort mode, and for most people you don't need the air suspension because this spring suspension is cheaper to maintain and also effective at doing this job. Now as you can see, the seat is quite nice. It's a very comfortable seat, and I like how big they are. Now this seat is ventilated and it also has cooling function, so I can cool the seats from the back, and the settings for this seat is electronic. Right down here I get to change the seat position. I to change everything from the backrest to the headrest, and also the take it up or lower. So the settings for this car are infinite, and they are very much geared towards your comfort and your well-being. As we do the full review, we're going to talk about a lot of the interior features here, and yeah.